In this video, I will show you how to get blurry background on CapCut. So now here is my video. Place your video in the background, in the timeline. Right click on the video. Go ahead, click on this copy. So click on this section, right click and paste. So now you duplicate the video. So now make sure to align the first clip and the second clip in center. So now they are all in the center position. So now hide the first video. After you hide the first video, select the second one. Go to this video, remove background, and click on this auto remove. So now we remove the background of the video. After it finishes removing the background, now unhide the first video. Select the first video, go to basic, scroll to down, and check on this canvas and click on the arrow beside. So click on this option. Go ahead and click on this blue. So scroll to down and select the blue option you want to use. For me, I want this one. After you select the one you want to use, it will show you that it has been added. So now click on this mask. So now go up and click on this add mask. Go to rectangle, scroll to down, go to this, click on this reverse. So now take this edge to back. So drag this size to back like this. So from there the blue background has been added. If you want to change the blue, just select the second video, go to video, basic, scroll to down. So here you'll be able to find different blue option for the background of your video. And that's it. If this video helps out, like and subscribe.